Hi guys, this is Oskan speaking. Today I want to demonstrate switchless bootloader. Actually, this version, this project is not belong to me. It belongs to uh, thirstbooter.com. I just sent a few emails to this guy, but I haven't received any replies. So I have to use his firmware. Uh, this is a simple device you plug under uh, the even CA. So let's try it, and I want to demonstrate how it works. You just plug it to the here, to the even CIA, and in normal startup it boots from DF0. Now it will, yes, it was from DF0, DF0. I always confuse numbers in Turkish and in English. This one is the system info. It lost from the DF0, and this one is the Cortec. It's connected from external port. This one is the DF1. When you reset 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then this little device changes the priority of the Amiga bootloader. Then it starts loading from the F1. So it changes the switch the driver priority. This one is goes to DF0. This one is goes to DF1. This one is a system test software. It loaded from the Cortec external. Thank you. Take care.